Hi guys. Welcome to IGX Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to install UniGetUI. It is a graphical interface for your package managers. So, what it does is, it helps to install, update, uninstall the apps easily from a different variety of sources. To download UniGetUI, you need to check if it is compatible with your system or not. Currently it is supported for the Windows 64-bit versions and Windows 11 versions. The developer says Windows Server 2022/2025 should work, but they are not officially supported. So, just make sure that you are using Windows 10, 64-bit version or Windows 11. To download the software, just click on the direct download option. It will download. Now head to the downloaded folder and double-click the app to install it. Select the option, Install for all users. Set the language as per your preference. Click on Next, Next. Select regular installation and select all the three options and click Next. Click on Install. Now the software is successfully installed. Open the UniGetUI app. This is how the interface looks. The first option here is Discover Packages. What this does is discover specific apps. For example, if we want to install Zoom app, just type Zoom in the search bar and hit enter. It will search for this app across all the sources listed in the website like Chocolatey, etc. It will take some time to search for the app. Once it is done, you will see a list of resources. Check the box you would like to install and click on Install Package. It will take some time to install. It's showing the app is installed. We will check it. Yes, it is installed successfully. The next feature is software updates. This is one of the most useful features in this app. What it does is, it searches all the apps present in your PC and checks whether there are any latest versions available to update. Here for me it is showing 5 updates are available. You can install all these updates at once, or you can install the one you want by selecting it. If you don't want any specific app to be not updated, you can select the app and click on Ignore Selected Packages. The selected app will not show in the software updates even if there is latest version available. To delete this, just go to the Manage Ignored Updates and delete it. For this video purpose, I am selecting Edge to update. Now click on Update Selected Packages. It will take some time to update. Once it is updated, the package will be removed from the Software Updates tab. The next feature is installed packages. Here you will uninstall the apps or software that are present on your PC. Here I will uninstall the Zoom app. Select the app and click on Uninstall selected packages. It will ask for confirmation. Once you confirm, the app will be uninstalled. Let's check whether it is really uninstalled or not. Yes, it is uninstalled. The next feature is package bundles. This will be useful if you just performed a reset on your PC. What you need to do is, just go to the installed packages and select the apps you want them to be bundled. Now click on Add Selection to Bundle. You can also add the apps that are not present on your PC. Just go to Discover and search the app name, select it and click on Add Selection to Bundle. Once all the apps are bundled, you can export them as a file. Select all the apps and click on Save Bundle As. It will be exported as a folder. Backup this folder or share it to other device. Once you've finished resetting your PC, just install the UniGetUI. Now open the bundle folder we have downloaded before and install the apps you want. Inside the settings you will find different options. But something I want to show you is the update preferences. You can select the option to install the apps automatically. This will help you to update the apps automatically without going through them manually. Also, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will find different package installers. You can turn on or off them. Basically, I don't turn off them. Just leave them as it is. That's all, guys. UniGetUI is one of the best software tools available online. Give it a try and let me know if it is useful or not. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.